You're watching Courtroom Explained, where we explore how courts define rights and responsibilities in everyday life. This content is for educational purposes only and not legal advice. Not every long-term relationship ends at the altar, but legal disputes can still arise when it ends. Today's case is Marvin versus Marvin, a landmark decision about property rights between unmarried partners. According to court records, the case involved actor Lee Marvin and Michelle Triola Marvin, who lived together for several years without marrying. When the relationship ended, Michelle Triola claimed that the couple had an agreement to share property and financial support. One key fact is that California at the time did not recognize common law marriage. This meant the court had to decide whether an unmarried partner could enforce a private agreement related to property or support. A second important point is that the California Supreme Court distinguished between enforcing a lawful contract and granting traditional marital rights. The court held that express or implied agreements between unmarried partners could be enforceable as long as they were not based solely on sexual services. A third factor was the broader impact of the ruling. The decision allowed courts to evaluate cohabitation agreements under standard contract principles rather than automatically dismissing them. The court ultimately allowed Michelle Triola's claims to proceed under contract law principles, reshaping how California handled property disputes between unmarried couples. The legal lesson from Marvin versus Marvin is that courts may enforce agreements between unmarried partners, but those claims are analyzed through contract law, not family law. When relationships involve shared finances but no marriage, what protections should the law recognize? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you value calm, neutral explanations of landmark cases,